How you store your ingredients makes all the difference for freshness and taste. With the AEG ProFresh Extra Fridge Freezer, your ingredients stay fresher, crispier, and tastier for longer. Fresh and frozen foods need to be cooled differently. AEG ProFresh Extra with Twin Tech uses two separate air streams to ensure the perfect humidity and temperature in both the fridge and the freezer. The result is food that stays fresher for longer. The dynamic air fan evens out temperature differences, keeping ingredients fresh wherever they are stored. AEG frost-free technology prevents frost from building up in your freezer. Never defrost again. The AEG ProFresh Extra models are extremely energy efficient. A wide range of internal storage solutions optimizes space for maximum flexibility. Options include a flexi shelf, large baskets, a bottle rack, and a maxi box drawer. Fresh flavors, best preserved. The AEG ProFresh Extra.